Hey, Lillian Drive, second graders, it's Mrs. Clark. Welcome to June. Looking good, feeling good, right? Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a Google drawing for the summer. So you're going to notice on your page you have the demo from Mrs. Clark, and then you have your student summer drawing. You're going to work in your student summer drawing, and then the first one is the demo is Mrs. Clark's Google Drawing. So the things that you want to make sure that you include this week is using the shapes toolbar, inserting an image from the search, coloring in shapes using the fill bucket, adding text including your name, and then turning that in. Those are the 5 things that I'm looking for this week. So on our blank drawing, I'm going to go to my shapes and I'm going to do a rectangle on the top, and I want my top to be the sky. So I'm going to make sure mine is blue. Now you can change this color by going to the fill bucket. Maybe you want your sky a little bit lighter or a little bit darker or whatever picture you're making. And then you can change the outline. I do transparent means there is no outline color. Next, I'm going to add in another shape. And we all know Mrs. Clark loves the beach. So I'm going to put another one that looks like maybe, how about like a beachy, watery, clear color here? Maybe we'll go something a little bit lighter here. Oh, not light enough. Sometimes you have to go in the grays. And then you're going to make sure you have no outline. And then next on the bottom, I'm going to put in my sand on the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to change my color to be a sand color and get rid of my color on the outline. So here I am, I have the sky, I have the water, and then I have the sand. So that takes care of my drawing and my shape tools, and I actually changed the color of the shapes using the fill bucket too on that one. In the sky, I want to put some birds. So maybe I want to draw some birds. I can go to the straight line and go to the scribble, and maybe I want to draw some birds. I don't want my birds, I want to make sure my birds are black. So you have to make sure your line color is black. Oop, oop. Maybe some seagulls are flying around up there. And now I want to put a picture of the sun because that always represents the summer to me. So I'm going to go to insert image and I'm going to search the web and I'm going to look for sun clip art. There we go. I like a nice smiling sun with sunglasses. I'm going to click and drag my sun up there. Remember, sometimes what do you have to do? You have to work on, whoops, sorry, undo that. You have to work on making sure that things are smaller, otherwise they don't fit. Notice what I just did. It was going to do a scribble and I just went back to the arrow to select. And there's my sun on the top of the screen. Now I'm going to go to the water, the middle part. I want to put some fish in the middle part. So you could either draw the fish if you want. You could even use your shapes. On your shapes, you might have a picture, a shape of maybe something that looks like a fish, like this. And you can try it out. Then maybe you want to change the color, make it something different. Maybe you want to draw the fin of the fish up here on the top. That's all up to you, um, your summer picture. And then I want to do some shapes on the bottom. So I go back again to the shapes tool. Maybe I want to make a little bucket, a little sand bucket in the sand. And then maybe I want to draw in some pictures on the bottom. I'm going to look for some um, fish clip art. Oh, perfect. That's going to be way too big, right? So I'm going to have to go back to my arrow and make that fish way smaller, right, to fit in here. Maybe we can get some fish going each way. Now, your summer picture is what you choose the picture to be. Maybe it's a picture of, maybe you want to make a picture of your backyard and your trampoline. Maybe you want to make a picture of your backyard and your swimming pool. Whatever you enjoy about summer, that's what I want you to draw about. Okay. Sand bucket, clip art. Oh, perfect. Here we are. And then maybe I want to put a little beach chair in. Right, beach chair clip art. All I'm doing is typing it in over here. Oh, how perfect is this? Makes me want to go to the beach now, although it's still a little bit too cold out. All right. So there is my summer picture. When you're all done, you are going to go back out of your drawing. And then on the top up here on the right, it says turn in. Make sure you turn it in. So these are the 5 things that I'm looking for. Make sure you watch this video. If you have any questions, email me. Lillian Drive Eagle, soaring to success, and nothing less. You got that right.